Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to increase the population in Township game quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or looking to boost your town's growth, this video will guide you through the best tips and tutorials. First of all, to increase your population on Township, open up the Township game and then from the home page, go to the builder hat icon at the bottom right. And from the options, select the building menus such as housing. Select the cottage or the housing option, select any one that is available and then place it on a desired area within the game. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark to place the house and you'll need to build more houses. Simply go ahead and repeat the steps and then select the houses, keep building more houses. The more houses you build, the more your population will increase. Also keep completing orders from the train or helicopter, and doing this will reward you with coins and XPs, helping you unlock more buildings and upgrades. You can also keep adding parks, schools and other public buildings that will attract more citizens and increase your population growth. And as your population grows, you can unlock new areas of your town to place more houses and facilities. You can also join special events and competition in Township to earn rewards that can help speed up your population growth. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.